Hey, what's up, people? This is J-Dog here. It's about 4:15 in the morning. I cannot sleep, so I'm gonna make a video on how to disassemble an iPod 3rd gen. So, yeah, so 15 gig, as you can see. Well, you can't see that, but 15 gig iPod Classic 3rd gen. So this video will show you how to disassemble this iPod in case you need to replace the hard drive or battery. So, okay, so what you're going to need is, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to do this. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to take your flathead screwdriver to your iPod. I am not responsible if you bust your iPod. So, okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your flathead screwdriver and you're going to take put it against your iPod like this until you get it lodged in there, just like that. Tuck it in, and then you're going to, so what you're going to do is you're going to push this way towards the white until it clicks, just like that, until if it's slightly pulled out. So next you're going to flip to this side. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to push towards the white, just like that. So your iPod will look like that. Next, you're going to do this side. Again, tuck it in and pull towards the white. Okay, so here's the part where I am not responsible if you break it. So what you're going to do, there is a little connector. So don't pull this up in a rush because you will bust it, because there's a little teeny wire. So you're going to pull this up just slightly and very carefully. Pull this up. There is a little connector right in there for the headphone jack. If you break that connector, you will bust your headphone jack. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this connector and you're going to very carefully unplug it. See, as you can see, there's this little connector right here. You're going to be very careful and you're going to unplug it. See a little connector right there? Yeah, you gotta be very careful. So you're gonna unplug that right there. Just like that. And so then that will just come right off your back plate. Okay, so your iPod should look like that, of course. And now you're gonna, so your hard drive should just come right up like this. So just pull that up like this, and again, this is also connected by a very thin wire. So you're gonna just pull this up right here. So just gently pull this up like that until you hear a click, and then that should come out just like that. Okay, so next thing you're going to take off is your battery, which is that blue thing. Well, it's also black sometimes too, but mine is blue. Well, anyway, so your battery, you're gonna just take that and just pull it out like that. There's a little connector. Again, this is you have to be very careful with this. There's a little teeny wire right here. See it? You're gonna take that wire and you're gonna pull it up like that until it clicks, just like that. See? And then you're gonna pull your battery out like that. See, your battery is now out. Okay. So now there is your iPod and its hard drive, its battery, and its backplate. There you go. This is J-Dog Talks. Comment, rate, subscribe to my channel. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Facebook, Brandon James Morales. If you want to talk to me more there, I will get to you there soon. So thanks for watching.